All right, guys. We're gonna go over how to draw 2 points uh, perspective of a cube. It seems like most of you had no problem drawing a cube in 1 point perspective, but a lot of you really had trouble drawing 2 points when I give you an object. So let's just go over one more time. Okay. First, I'm going to go over 1 point perspective, even though most of you know it really pretty well. So once again, you start with a line on the top, okay, and then you always start with the front view of um, of that image, of whatever object you're drawing. For example, let's say I'm going to draw a step-looking shape. So you would draw the exact front view of the object, and then lastly you pick a point, right? So for now, I'm gonna pick this point right here. Okay, and then the second step of drawing 1 point perspective is that you connect all your edges, all the corners to that 1 point that we selected. So all I'm doing is connecting all the edges and corners to that 1 point. So this one's almost impossible to see, so I'm just gonna ignore it. And then to complete it off, you just gotta define where your object ends. So for mine, I'm just gonna uh, end it right here. So what you do is you're gonna draw perpendicular lines from where I picked. Okay, see, there you go. That is 1 point perspective. Once again, most of you got it pretty well, um, but most of you do have trouble with 2 point. So now let's go over 2 point. Very similar to 1 point perspective, you obviously pick the points. So for 2 point, you're going to pick 2 points first. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and pick these 2 points. Okay, second step, most of you did make the mistake. For example, I'm going to draw just a simple cube. Most of you did start putting a front view down like this. And then most of you would connect these 2 points to the sides, and then you probably end up getting confused because most of you, well, some of you on your quizzes or tests, whatever, you kind of just stopped it right here because you probably realize like, I'm probably doing something wrong. Okay, so you had for 2 point perspective, you just have to remember you're gonna start with one edge of your object. So for example, let's say I'm gonna draw this really quick. Okay, I'm gonna draw this little isometric uh, cube really quick, just a really quick sketch. Okay, so instead of starting with this front view, you're gonna pick an edge. Okay, so this for this little cube right here, this will be my edge. Okay, once again, so we're gonna start with the edge. Okay, I'm gonna do 4. Let's do 5. Okay, you start with one edge, this edge right here. Okay, and all you have to do is um, connect the 2 points to that one edge. Okay, after that, um, once again, you got to define where your width and your yeah, basically define your width of your cube. So for mine, I'm gonna stop right here. Okay, and then you cross connect from both sides to the 2 points. See, there you go. This is our 2 point perspective um, method. Okay. So actually, if we want to finish that step, whatever object that I was doing in the example, so you would just keep going downwards. So this will be my new edge. So to start your 2-point perspective, you would start this long edge right here, and then you would do the same thing. You just connect um, the edge to the 2 points. Now there you go. We have these two cubes right here. So once again, don't get it mixed up with 1-point perspective. Okay, this is how you do 2-point perspective.